Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook shrimp with vegetables. First, let's get everything ready. Select about 1 pound of fresh, high-quality shrimp, ensuring they are peeled and deveined for convenience. Next, gather your favorite vegetables, aiming for a vibrant mix like 2 bell peppers, 1 head of broccoli, and about 6 ounces of snap peas. Wash and chop these into uniform, bite-sized pieces to ensure even cooking. Finally, have your olive oil and seasonings, such as 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, at the ready. Now let's cook those delicious shrimp. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once the oil shimmers, add your prepared shrimp in a single layer. Cook them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they turn a beautiful pink and become opaque. It's crucial not to overcook them, as this can make them tough. Perfectly cooked shrimp are tender and juicy, ready for the next step. With the shrimp set aside, it's time for our vibrant vegetables. Add another tablespoon of olive oil to the same pan. Start with harder vegetables like broccoli and carrots, sautéing them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, add your softer vegetables, such as bell peppers and snap peas, cooking for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Season generously with a half teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and any other spices you enjoy, ensuring they are tender crisp. Finally, let's bring it all together for a delicious meal. Return your perfectly cooked shrimp to the pan with the sautéed vegetables. Gently toss everything together for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and ensuring the shrimp are heated through. This quick step ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Serve your shrimp and vegetables immediately over a bed of fluffy rice, your favorite noodles, or simply enjoy them as a healthy, standalone dish. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.